This is not at all the hook that I set out to make when I first started this project. But sometimes you just got to adapt and go where the material wants to take you and try something new, something that you hadn't seen before you got to a certain point. So I've been out to the pile of random cutoffs and useful looking bits, found a piece of 1/4 inch by 1 3/4 wide. It's kind of a random length. I'm not going to use the whole thing, but this gives me a handle I can hold on to while I do the initial end of this hook. To start this, I'm going to lay out some cut lines and then we'll cut it hot with a chisel. This is not at all the hook that I set out to make when I first started this project. But sometimes you just got to adapt and go where the material wants to take you and try something new, something that you hadn't seen before you got to a certain point. And for me, that point was after I split this and started rounding this up. I could see the human figure in this more clearly than I could see what I was going for, which was a more ornamental hook with a bit of a floral decoration here. And I was going to draw these out and scroll them on either side of that. Similar to some hooks we've done with forge welding in the past, only I was trying to do it with splitting. In hindsight, for that kind of a hook, I think forge welding is absolutely the way to go. But I'm not unhappy with this hook, and it's very reminiscent to some of the figures seen in some primitive rock art in this region. We just had the local historical society did a talk on that and had a lot of images of this ancient rock art stuff. I have no idea where it actually is, but it's somewhere in this general area. So for that reason, I find that an interesting shape, even if it is a little bit crude as a human figure. And of course, the legs are bending up the wrong way. His knees are bent backwards. Maybe it's an alien, I don't know. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching the process. I had fun doing this, even if it wasn't what I was going for. I'm going to start making more videos over here on Black Bear Forge 2, simple projects, working more in the small shop over here, hopefully using the coal forge over here more of the basic and beginner-oriented stuff. If you'd like to support that, this channel does not have a Patreon associated with it, but the Patreon for the main Black Bear Forge account does help support this channel, the main Black Bear Forge account, and some of the woodworking and how-to content from my personal channel, John Switzer. So if you're interested in all that kind of stuff and would like to help support the channel, Patreon is a great place to do that. Patreon members at the $5 level and above receive early access to the videos, and they receive those videos ad-free. So if you don't like watching the annoying ads on YouTube, you might enjoy watching the videos over on Patreon. But for everybody, thanks for stopping by to watch the videos. I really appreciate it. I hope you have time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, have fun, try something different, but be safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next video.